I want to place my meat in there really easily. A little at a time. Place it on the top. Okay. I'm going to stir it up too in a little bit, but just take your time placing that meat in all the sauce. Or if it jumps out of there, I'm going to wash that piece a little bit and put it back in there. On the side. And I'm going to go ahead and move it around. Look, it starts to become a little thick, as you see. It's our version of beef stew. Move it around. Make sure that all of it gets covered, okay? Don't miss a piece. Move it back and forth. Moving, getting all the sauce from the crevices of the pan. And continue to move it like that. Just pinching it up and moving. You want to go ahead and move around the sauce and the piece of meat. Okay, before you go ahead and place the next thing in there, which will be your wine.